Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Shopify Payments for faster checkout. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Shopify account. On your Shopify dashboard, navigate to the Settings option located on the bottom left corner. Once in Settings, click on Payments. In the Payments section, look for the Shopify Payments option and click on it. If Shopify Payments is not yet enabled, you will see an option to activate it. Click on the Activate Shopify Payments button. You will be prompted to provide business information. Fill in your legal business name as it appears on your official documents. Next, enter your business address, ensuring it is accurate. You will also need to input your business phone number. Provide the type of business entity you operate, such as sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation. Now, select the industry your business operates in from the drop-down menu. Continue by entering your banking information for payout purposes. Input the account holder's name, the routing number, and account number. Ensure that your banking information is correct to avoid payout issues. Next, you'll need to complete your personal information. Enter your first name, last name, date of birth, and home address. Make sure all information matches your official identification. Once everything is filled out, read through the terms and conditions provided. If you agree, check the box to confirm your acceptance. Finally, click on the Complete Setup button to finalize the registration process. Your Shopify Payments account will now be set up for faster checkouts. You may receive a confirmation email regarding your registration. Once approved, customers can enjoy quick and seamless transactions on your store. Now you're ready to take full advantage of Shopify Payments for your business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.